so I got this from Hobby Lobby, y'all. So we're just gonna do a cute little arrangement here, and we're gonna bling it up. And so, yeah, if you'll do all the things, I am going to choose 3 people tonight. And then if you're watching on the replay, we do choose 1 person on the replay too. So if you're on the replay watching this, just comment #replay, and you'll be entered to win in that aspect as well. So isn't that fun? Hi Sharon, Teresa. Okay, so my first, I'm going to use this ribbon. I'm going to use the black and white ribbon. I did get this from Hobby Lobby, but I've had it for a while. So we are going to, I think I'm going to put this around here first. I'm going to go ahead and tack this down because it tends to, I think it's going to tend to slip on me. So I'm going to tack it down with some hot glue. So y'all, I'm going to cut these. I am going to trim these. So that's what this is going to look like. And I'm going to embellish it right here. So y'all, I'm using some of this flower foam here. I'm not going to hot glue it because I don't want it permanent. So I'm just going to stick these in there. I got some pieces that I'm going to stick in there. And I'm going to use this cute little bunny. I got him from Walmart. He was just completely white. I kind of highlighted his eyes with some, I think it was gold wax. So just real faint, and then his little ears, I kind of put some pink in there. Actually, I think I used my blush on it. I used my actual blush on him. But yeah, that's a little bunny from Walmart. Okay, so I'm also using these eggs. Look at these eggs. They're really pretty. I'm just going to add a little greenery here. I have this little vine. I'm not sure where I got it. I think, well, Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby. Play around with it. We'll play around with it. Okay, so far we look like this. Not like that. Like this. Like this. So far. Okay, I think it needs to be a little higher. So, just had this little thing, and we're gonna stick that under there, making just a tad higher. Yeah, I think that looks better. Okay, that looks. So now, y'all, these little, let's put the eggs in there. But y'all, I'm gonna use these. These are the napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. So I'm just gonna place that on my egg there, and like I said, you can use the bling wrap, but I'm gonna opt for that. Look at the bling on that. This is a napkin ring, and I think I'm gonna use this pretty pink. And like I said, isn't that cute? I just love this little egg. Okay, so we're just gonna place that right in here. I got another one that I used the, I wanna say that's aquamarine. I don't think it's the teal, I think it's aquamarine. But anyway, the blue one, isn't that cute? It's pretty, I love that color. And so we're gonna place that right in there. I made these little burlap, I made these little burlap, what do you call these? Carrots. Okay, so this is the purple one, y'all. I just put a purple one on there. That is purple. It's a deep purple, so it kind of looks darker than, but that's purple. I'm just going to use this one. Isn't that pretty? That one's pretty. That is a pink one. I'm just adding bling to all my stuff in here. So I'm gonna spin this around here in just a second. Oh, in just a second, I'm gonna show y'all. Now this purple one, I didn't glue that on there because it had like a little eye that I could feed that jute string through there, so I didn't hot glue that purple one. But so far, we have this so far. Our little eggs in there. Aren't those little eggs pretty, y'all? I love that. Okay, so I've got another egg here. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to just use these napkin rings because I like that. And you can just use it like that. Eggs. And we got our bunny. And we're going to put some flowers in here. Just a little pop of color. And then we're going to embellish the front of it. Okay, so I've got some baby's breath here. I've got some, you just fix it how you want to, y'all. I'm gonna put this lamb's ear. I'm gonna put this lamb's ear right here. So we've got this. I don't want it to get too crowded, but yet, isn't that cute? It's starting to look really cute. So we're gonna put a pop of, let's put a pop of color in there. I got some pink, I got some, it's getting a little crowded, so I may have to stop now, but got some pink and some yellow, and y'all, got Totally Dazzled. I'm using this for the front of our bow. Pretty. That's a pretty, now that is your antique bronze. Oh, I'm not finished. Our little bunny is going to get, of course he needs a little bow tie, right? He's got a little gold bow tie there. Little gold bow. Y'all, I have one more thing. I'll bring this back, but I have one more thing to show you. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I was gonna do this first, and I thought, well, I wanted to do an arrangement. So I already got this started, y'all. This is from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you've seen this, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like. This, I'll finish it off. But I did paint my checks. I've had several people ask me if I paint. Yes, I do paint my checks because I just like to. But the Mackenzie Childs black and white, it doesn't need to be Mackenzie Childs. It can be black and white craft paper or what have you, or napkin. So anyway, I'm gonna use this cute little bunny napkin that I've had. Anyway, we're gonna, I did paint this white. I gave it a coat of, I think it was Slick Stick first because this is a shiny surface. And so I gave it a coat of that Slick, I think it's called Slick Stick by Dixie Belle. And then, which is on the website too, I think. And then I just put like some acrylic paint on top of it. So, and I painted my checks. I just freehand my checks. So they're not perfect. I mean, that's what it looks like. So they're not perfect. Use my big old Mod Podge here. Okay, so we are going to just Mod Podge. Get me a brush. And then, y'all, we're gonna embellish these little bunnies too, but I use this mold. I like this mold because it has some trim like this on here. I use this one quite a bit, especially for my Easter crafts. We're gonna put a little crown on one of our bunnies. That is the gold crown, the gold crown. So we're gonna give him a crown. And this one, a little bow tie. Oh, bunny. I think I'm gonna put this here. Perfect. So I'll show you here in a minute how I did this. So far we got this. Look at them. Aren't they cute? Our little bunnies. So we got the crown and the little bow tie there. And then I got my little, I don't even know what to call it. Trim. Okay, so all I did to create this, I used the hot glue on this mold. And you can use the, what do they call it? The clay. You can use the clay. I use both. That's okay. All I did was, and you may not need to use the white, but I do. I just use the white on here. Okay, so see, you just have that. There's a gap right there, but that's okay. You just have this mold, the mold, hot glue mold that I use. I use hot glue on it. And I'll just show you how this, we'll just kind of bring this to life here. I really like to use the chalk paint, but I don't have it with me. So I'm just using this coffee bean from Folk Art. I want, you can use anything, any color you want. And just like that, that's what that looks like. So, and that is what I used for this. I'm just gonna make it work, y'all. Just gonna make it work. And that's what that looks like so far. We got our little bunnies, and they're all decorated with their little bling. And I am going to take this rubbing buff, and we're just going over these edges here. That's our little bunny craft right there. Y'all take care, and God bless, and thank you so much, and